व्हाट्सअप गाइस, मेरा नाम है रौनक और आज हूँ मैं पेरिस में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ जिनका नाम है मालकोम, हु इज़ फ्रॉम स्टेपर्स ग्रुप और जो आपको आज उनके दो ओन ब्लॉग सिखाने वाले हैं। सो आप इनको ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिए यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक और इनकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है। सो लेट्स गो।
Hi everyone, it's Malkom from Stepperz, France, en francophone. So today I'm going to teach you two moves I used to use, two drops, and yes, the first one is going to be magnet drops and the second one empty pocket. So magnet drops, this one I like because I like to use my some connection between my legs and my arms, you know. So that's why I call it magnet drops. And it's like I hit my arms or I hit my leg and then, you know, the movement go like this. So this is why I call it magnet drops. And it's pretty easy, you know. I try to find different connection between, because sometimes I use my feet and my hand, but this time I try to think about my knee and my elbow. So I try to just bring my arm like this, you know. So I grab and I pull, like. And then from here, I try to feel like my body go on the side, like very like no control, you understand? Then this is the first step of the move. So when I do this, I try to grab and pull up, like lift, boom. And then I hit my hand like pam, pam. So I try to do like a Z. And boom, boom. Show you again. Like A. So the movement go like, you know, you have your arm here, then you grab here, you lift up like, then you release the leg, hop, jump, hit here, you have to hit like this, like pam, boom, okay? Then step, and then this leg go here, like ha, ha. You see? So the movement go like really like. Watch. Gonna try to do that motion like boom, boom, boom. So it was the first one. And yes, second, empty pocket, pretty easy. It's like you search something in your pocket. So you search here, you don't find. So here, and then I try to put my head in the hole, like, you see? So go, like I slide, try to search on my pocket. No, there is nothing here, maybe there. Yes. The movement go like left, right, go inside and pull, slide. For the slide you have to push the end like on the side, on the side like this, and then you jump after and you switch leg.